It's just got a little compartment. This is where you could plug in your iPod or iPhone, whatever you want. Hey guys, Brad here with Skyline Construction, and today we're going to be taking a look at a radio. This is the Dewalt DCR018, and it's just a little tiny radio that we use. I really like them because they're small. I have the other ones that are quite a lot larger, but I find they take up too much space, and when you're on a job site, you're really not blaring your music. So it's, you know, we do a lot of inside work, so I find just having a small radio, you don't have to have crazy bass and all that kind of stuff, even though it's nice. These guys seem to just, you know, do the trick for me, just to kind of, you know, drown out that quietness throughout the day, especially if you're working alone. So these radios are pretty cool because they allow you to use all the different battery platforms. This is an 18 volt, so it'll take the old style battery. It's 20 volt max, and it's the 12 volt max. So you can even put a flexible battery in here. It'll take all of them. We're just going to use the 20 volt max, and on top of that, you can plug it in, so you're not dependent on a battery. It also will take a small watch size battery, like not a watch, but a little bigger, the CR2032. So that's for your memory, for your channels. And then that way when you unplug this, the memory is still saved within the unit itself. Another feature this has, so we've got a little antenna on the back. It's got a nice cage around it. And then on the side, it's just got a little compartment. This is where you could plug in your iPod or iPhone, whatever you want. And you've got a USB port here as well. So nice little area, stick your phone or your music. The sound on this isn't the best. You know, don't expect to be having a party with this thing. But it's good enough, like I said, for just a little bit of background music. Have it in your shop or in a job site or your trailer, wherever you want. And then it's got a clock on it. You've got, here's the power button here. Just turn that on. And you've got different modes. You can go through presets. I actually haven't set this at all, but this is your volume control right here. And then off again. Very easy. So, like I said, I like this radio. I've thought about buying the Dewalt T-Stack radio, which looks pretty sweet. But for me, I don't need a giant radio. I think this is just fine, and I really like it, and I think I'm going to stick with it for now. Okay guys, so I'd love to hear from you what radios you use on your job site, if it's the Dewalt or the Bosch, the T-Stack, the Milwaukee. Let me know, I'd love to hear from you. Also with the new Bluetooth capabilities, I know there's a lot of other stuff out there too. So give me a little comment down below, but until next time, make sure you subscribe, hit that notify bell, give us a like, and keep on crushing it, and we'll catch you later.